Discover why the best rebounder trampoline offers more than just bounce. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Best Rebounder Trampoline. If you've ever wondered why some trampolines offer a superior experience, today's video is just for you. I'm going to share a personal story about my fitness journey and how finding the perfect trampoline made all the difference. Did you know that rebounding on a trampoline is not only fun but also an exceptional way to improve your cardiovascular health and reduce stress? That's right. Studies show that rebounding can offer these benefits and more. Today, we're focusing on why the best rebounder trampoline is a cut above the rest, especially if you're looking for quality and durability. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell on our channel, Best Rebounder Trampoline, so you won't miss out on our exclusive insights and deals. Also, click the link in the description below for free shipping on all self-assembled models, no discount code needed, just order, check out, and enjoy your savings. Many of you have expressed concerns about the safety and longevity of trampolines. Let me assure you, the best rebounder trampoline addresses these issues head-on with state-of-the-art safety features and robust construction that ensures long-lasting fun and fitness benefits. Let's talk details. The trampolines we feature aren't just any trampolines, they are engineered for optimal performance. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a parent looking for a safe activity for your kids, these trampolines provide stability, incredible bounce, and peace of mind. And remember, by using the special link below, you not only get free shipping but also contribute to ensuring top-notch quality and service from one of the best in the business. This is an exclusive deal for our viewers, made possible by our partnership with BESTE. I want to leave you with this thought. Every jump on a quality rebounder is a step towards a healthier, more joyful life. So, take that leap. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Share your rebounding stories and let us know how the best rebounder trampoline has changed your fitness routine for the better. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.